Yo, what's up? It's your boy T, and I got this custom watch here that I wanted to unbox. So, yeah, let's get to unboxing. Okay, so here we go. I don't know what to expect. I never got a custom watch before, so I'm just gonna let the watch speak for itself. Okay, here we got a QR code and stuff. This is the guy that we got it from, Color Chronos. All right. I didn't want to leave this watch upside down because my address was on the other side and I don't know how to blur this stuff just yet. So here we go. I'm gonna put the box right here for now. Okay, we got some paperwork. We don't need that. Now, I like watches a lot, but I don't have too many of them. I just like watching the videos and, you know, seeing them. I always wanted to buy like a nice good watch, and Casio is, you know, the perfect place to start. So I guess why not? Here we go. Oh, okay. Kind of see what we're working with already. Here we go. Oh, I'm a huge fan of NASA. I love space. So, a mission to the moon watch. Beautiful. Ooh, this is a beautiful watch. So I'm looking at it through the camera, but it looks better. Oh, jeez. It looks better like in person. I'm gonna try putting this watch on, replace it with my watch, see what it looks like. Oh, I love that. That looks so nice. New York City, London, where are we now? Paris, Tuesday. I don't know. But yeah, that's the watch there, guys. Beautiful watch. Again, where's that dude's card? So this is the dude I got it off. Color Chronos. This looks so sick. It does look sick through the camera, I'm not gonna lie, but it looks better in person too. One thing is you can kind of see the cutout of the moon. That might annoy me later, actually, now that I'm looking at it, but it's not like too major. I don't know if you guys can see, but there is a little bit of the cutout of what is supposed to be that moon over there coming out into the world map. That's a little bit annoying, but it's not the end of the world. Might be the end of the moon. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little unboxing of the watch. Let me know what watches you guys like in the comments below, and quite honestly, let me know what you guys think of this watch. I still do like it. It is a little bit annoying to see the moon separation and then the cutout coming out into the world map, but I mean, it's not the end of the world. I'll live with it. I still love the watch, and it's my first custom watch. I mean, what more can I ask for? It's NASA. I love space, and it's a Casio nonetheless. It's classic. It's gonna last forever. I am curious to see the water resistance of this, but that's for a time that will come. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little unboxing, and till next time, see ya.